Weight management is the key to lead a happy and healthy life. Therefore, your journey to weight loss should be gradual and well-informed. Here we will learn about the diet myths that we blindly follow. Detox diets are great. Doing a one-day detox might give your organs a well-needed rest with a reduction in water weight. However, it will not lead to body fat loss or help you burn calories. Supplements help in weight loss. Supplements might give you a boost of energy at that needed time, but do not contribute to weight loss. The only reason why you think supplements might work for you is because of the placebo effect. Cut carbohydrates to lose weight. Carbohydrates have earned a bad reputation of health and nutrition, and they seem like weight inducers. All fats are bad. Just like carbs, fats are considered unhealthy and one of the main culprits for weight gain. But, like carbs, fats can also be clubbed as good fats and bad fats. Starving and skipping meals helps in weight loss. It is an absolute myth that starving and skipping meals may speed up your weight loss journey. It isn't reliable and can't be known as a sustainable weight loss strategy. Work out on an empty stomach for weight loss. Working out on an empty stomach may lead to dizziness due to the sudden drop of blood sugar levels, thus, leading to muscle loss as protein is extracted from the muscle. Cut out on all snacks. Snacking is not a problem. However, it is the kind of snack you pick that could affect your weight loss regimen in a big way. Fruits, nutty trail mix oats are great in between snacking options.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,